What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining us, and a special thank you to all of you who are subscribing. I appreciate all the likes and comments and the feedback on the videos. I know you guys want to change things up, as do we. So we are going to change things up a little bit this week. On Friday's episode, we're going to have a car in that we have never had in before. I'll give you a hint, it is twin turbo, so you can leave your guesses in the comments of what you think it is. Today's episode, however, we are going to put the gray C7 Z06 on the dyno that we just finished up last week. We also are going to baseline this SS behind us. That car is actually getting a Whipple and a cam, so it should be a fun little build. We also have a C6 Grand Sport LS3 that we're going to do a cam and headers on. We're going to baseline these two real fast though to find out what they put down stock, as always. But enough talk, let's head to the dyno, find out what this and the C6 Grand Sport put down. You want to do guesses? 387 is what you said?
390.
What's done to it?
Nothing.
Let me take a quick peek. Alright, I'm going 365. I figured I'd be right on.
I was gonna say 365, and I'm like, I thought the last one dyno high.
Nah, autos, these are around 360, 355. Cam only, no heads.
No head, valve springs though.
Oh yeah, and push rods I'm assuming too.
Yeah.
Cam package. So we're doing headers too.
Yep.
Check out the parts.
Long system, no cats, 2-inch headers, 3-inch X pipe.
Nice.
Somebody destroyed my box.
Seriously?
I see what happened.
Someone took one. Something else.
Always
Yeah.
me.
Everybody just takes your shits. We should check now.
Yeah, I don't need that, you know.
No, it's not important. No. There you go.
Rip the headers off.
on glitter foam.
Yeah.
Good.
Hey, Eric, go open that outside, right?
It's addressed to Angry Eric.
I was able to see the mail lady like handed it to me with a straight face too. She was like,
I know.
She's probably used to this sort of stuff. She probably has a few.
Yeah.
Let's go give Eric his present. You have a present.
Who?
I don't know. A fan.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Big ass dildos, huh?
It's not for me.
Guys, check it out. Fellas, a big ass dildo for Angry Eric. Thank you. Come again. Hey, dildo lover. Thanks for your order. You're awesome.
Honestly, it wasn't me. We were thinking it was a glitter bomb.
That's why I was like this.
Yeah.
You have been pranked, or you really just love dildos.
Yeah, that's probably it.
That's right. I ordered this.
I believe it.
Yeah.
Where's the dildo then?
Who could have done it? Was it Tom, that slippery son of a bitch? Or Jessica, that fucking bitch? She's always been jealous of you. Regardless, it's time to get back at someone. We've got you covered.
I guess it's just funny because it comes with the packaging. I guess that's the joke.
Yeah.
It's lame. I was hoping it was a glitter bomb.
I was hoping it was a dildo. I could give it to you for like Christmas.
Well, now you can send it to someone else.
Oh my God! I could send this to my buddy John.
Just keep the joke going.
Yeah, I was like this. I didn't know what the f was gonna crawl out at me. Dude, like this going to the mail, like
Yeah.
like somebody, like the mailman's probably like, what the f is
So
this?
Bill said the mail lady just gave it to him with a straight face. She didn't even laugh.
John, the bargain master, Charlotte, North Carolina.
Just in for a tune.
That's it.
Okay. Let it rip.
Potato chip.
Trying to hide from me?
Yeah.
What the hell, man? You're doing your favorite thing, valve springs.
These are pretty easy ones.
Especially the headers are off, it makes it even easier. Aren't you glad you didn't put the headers on and then do them, huh? That's good thinking by me.
I already thought that.
Whatever. I just said it.
You just reminded me.
Yeah. Stock valve springs. I see one of those BTRs, please. So you got that, then you're gonna put the headers on, and then...
Yeah, I'm probably wrapping up the exhaust and start taking the cam out today.
Cool. So why'd you have the trains out?
Doing a Circle D torque converter.
Oh, okay.
So we're just upgrading that. I guess for the heads cam. Just have a little higher stall, I guess.
Okay. Sorry, I'm mad at Matt, so I'm not filming him.
What did Matt do?
he didn't tell me when the cam is going in, like he said he was going to. I was like, cam going into this morning? He's like, yeah, probably a little bit later. I'll text you.
And
Never texted
just did
me.
it.
Yeah. Just, oh my God.
This is annoying. These little shims.
All right, we'll wrap this thing up.
I'm working on it.
So you almost done this thing?
Yep.
Good. Nitrous all done?
Yep, just gotta do brakes, and I'm done.
Good.
Very,
Good.
very good.
And then we can wash it.
Yeah, that's it. Hey, Matt and I saw some guy washing his truck or washing mail trucks the other day before the rain.
It's a Polish wash, man. We gotta save water.
Polish wash.
Yeah,
Good thing I'm not a Polak.
I am.
No surprise there. No surprise there.
What's your background?
I'm a mutt.
Well, we're all mutts, but
All kinds of, I don't know, Irish, German, Scottish. As far as I know.
we should all do those like ancestor DNA things.
My sister did it.
Did she?
My dad did it. My mom did it. My brother and I really don't care about that shit.
We should all do it at the shop. See where everybody's from. Oh, Fran flashed that blue 5th gen, right?
Yeah. Can't get it very many lower than that.
It's pretty good. So the cam's all done, header's done, valve springs, push rods, Veraram. She's all ready for the dyno.
Yep.
And you can already start your next project. Look at that. Man. Eric's done his C6, nitrous and all that. Hey, it runs! Look at that, everybody's finishing their projects today.
Yeah.
You get a gold star. You get a gold star. You get a silver star.
Thanks.
There you go, everybody. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. As always, if you did, hit that like button. Appreciate the comments as always, and don't forget to leave your comments or guesses about the car in Friday's episode. And for those who aren't subscribing, please make sure you subscribe. We have videos every Wednesday and Friday. We'll see you next time.